Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, my wonderful audience? How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, along with
Faustina Gamba.
So I know you guys gonna be like, what's going on here? He's new on this channel, right? Yep, he's my sweetheart. Welcome to our channel. So today in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to unbox and set up Mainstays fan. Okay, as you all know, it's summer in USA. Is super hot, very hot, guys. I can't sleep. My sweetheart have to run to get fan for us, for the kids and I. So if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for this fan and where I bought this fan from. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's get started. But before I open this fan, I'm going to show you the full size of the box, just in case you want to buy the same fan I got. So you can just look at the box and just go in the store and get what you got. Okay, so this is the front size right here. I hope, just let me know in the comment section if you can see this box. But this is the front size right here. This is the back right here, as you all see, can see. And this is the side right here. Let me know if you can see this. Yeah, I like to show the full size of the fan before opening the box, before opening it. Sometimes people want to get the same thing you got. So when they see the box, they know exactly what you got. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. This is not really hard to open. You just use the sensor. So my sweetheart gonna be helping me to open this for us. Oh yeah, so guys, if you just joining us for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. On this channel, we do just a little bit of everything. We do cooking, we do fitness, like exercise, Saturday and Sunday morning. We cook on live video. We do products review, and then let's go on, y'all. And this channel is family friendly. Yeah, this channel is family friendly. Okay. Oh, this one is smaller. Is that a standing fan?
Yeah. That was soon.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Thank you, sweetheart. This is the fan right here, and this is what we're supposed to cover the fan with. It's actually two. This is the first one right here, and the second one, and this should be in the middle right here, and this one should be yeah, that is, yeah, right here. Yeah, and this fan is electrical. Eh?
Yep.
Yeah, you can put this in the wall, and I like it though because the cord is really long. Oh my god, this is so nice and beautiful. So I told you guys, if you stay with me till the end of the video, I was going to tell you where I bought it from. If you made it this far, congratulations to you and shout out to you. So we got a fan from Walmart. Yeah, but you can get this fan from any store you want to get it. Places like maybe Best Buy, maybe Sam's Club, or somewhere. Yeah, just Google where to get fan from. Okay, and the name of the fan is Mainstays. This is the brand right here. I think I paid, how much we paid for? Let me check the receipt. Let me give you guys the price we pay for this. So I'm looking for the price. We actually bought two fans, one for the kids and one for me and my sweetheart. So okay, we paid $22.67 for this white fan. Yep. So yes, if you made it to the end of the video, congratulations to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, please support us. Our goal is to hit 10K subscribers by the end of this month, but not limited. yeah guys, so maybe in part 2 of this video we're going to show you guys how to set up this fan. We don't want to make the video so long, so in part 2 or in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to set up this fan. Okay, thank you so much. So yeah, you got something to say? Love you all. Thank you guys. Bye. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, darling. Love you all. I know you guys are used to seeing me giving titty sister, right? Don't worry, let me give you guys titty sister before I go. Okay, I see something beautiful for your backside. Did you see that? Yeah, I know. Bye, bye. That was so funny. Do you want me to bring the other stuff? So we actually have the menu here. So I'll be going step by step to teach you guys how to set up this fan. It's going to be in part 2 of the video, okay? So thank you so much. Bye. I love you.